Hello, I'm Chloé. I'm a marketing assistant at Light and Shadows, and today I'm going to show you how to import CAD models with default settings for a project with Interact. So I hope you enjoyed the previous tutorials about how to install Interact and request your license and the creation of a basic scene. If you have not watched it yet, I recommend you to watch them before watching this video. So in this tutorial, I will show you what you need to do to import CAD models with default settings for one of your projects. So on your screen, you are supposed to be on the Interact interface and see a basic scene with a player, like at the end of our second tutorial, the creation of a basic scene. So the first stage is to go in the Interact menu, to click on Import and choose CAD model. So a window will open where you can choose your file. So you will see that Pixis plugin allows the import of numerous extensions. You can find the exhaustive list on our website. So let's import one file. A Pixis CAD import setting window will open. So at this stage, default settings should be okay, because the plugin proposes default settings that are automatically balanced between the optimization of the file and performance of the scene. So every setting is customizable. You will find a tutorial dedicated to the description of this parameter, plus the advanced ones in a future video entitled Import CAD with Advanced Settings. So let's import. So the CAD file will be imported in 0.0.0 coordinate. And here your CAD model is successfully imported. So I hope this video helped you in your use of Interact. If you had any question, do not hesitate to ask them in the comments or to send us an email. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you soon.